What's going on? Mike here, got another video. Morning YouTube, how you guys doing today? Back with another one. Today I have 7 calls, 4 COD, 3 warranty calls. So I'll let you guys know how it goes. Been gradually seeing my COD pick up more and more, but yet again, like I always say, I've passed out thousands of cards in my county over the years. It's about to be 5 years, so I don't pay for any advertisement. People go online and they just book, and it's been working. So I'm gonna keep on, recommending that. Online booking is great. But anyway, my first call is at LG Dishwasher. Not starting. I don't know any other information on that. The customer was very vague. So actually this customer used to be a warranty customer, doesn't have warranty anymore, calls me directly. Actually 2 COD today are like that, used to be warranty customers. So best customers to me are the ones that get referred or returns. So I get new ones all the time, but those are the best. But anyway, I'll get in this house, I'll let you guys know what I come up with. All right. All right, YouTube, back with it. So that dishwasher, pretty much main control board was bad. How I determined that: check power from the wall, check power from the actual junction box, and then with the picture that you see is I check power going through the filter, the noise filter control board. Now I've dealt with this, a 10-year-old LG. I've dealt with them several times, well, more than I can count. So once I'm getting power through that filter board, I know it's the main board, and the display for that one is no longer, the interface is no longer available anyway. But that's a customer, like I said, he was from a warranty, and it's like I ended up getting my $95 service call. He actually was $85 since he scheduled online, but he ended up paying me $95. And then what I quoted him the price, it was close to $400 because the board is like 2 something. He's like, man, I'm just gonna look. If I change my mind, I'll call you. Cool. But he got a microwave that I didn't charge him for. I just looked at, he told me he needed a door. I looked at it, looked up the door, gave him a price for that as well. And he's probably gonna do that. So he's gonna call me later to talk to his wife to see if she wanna do that. So, but other than that, that's what it is. That's how it is sometimes. And on to the next one. Next call, let me see, is here we go. I think it's another COD. Yeah, Samsung dryer not heating, was overheating, cleared out lint, then not. Okay, so overheating, could have been grounded, getting too hot, then went out afterwards. We'll see when I get there. I'll keep you guys, but that's a first call complete all day. Keep Samsung elements always. Every element for every dryer I keep. So I don't know about you guys, I at least got almost 1 element for almost every dryer, every current one. I don't keep a lot of older ones, the 279 838s, the Whirlpool Duet front loaders, the other style, the ones that you have to open the case, and then the ones you have to slide in. I have those. I got LG 3-prong, so I got a lot of elements on this little truck. At least one of those, the 279 838s, I at least keep 3 of them, and Samsung elements, I at least keep 3 of those because they go out a lot. Frigidaire, I do use restring kits for them, Frigidaire and GE ones. So depends on the model. You obviously know, not the Miko style ones. But anyway, I'll get with you guys back on the after the next call. All right, so as I thought it was a Samsung heating element. It needed a heating element. Like I said, I keep those on the van, so that was a job done. I always love when them CODs pay me right on the spot. Now, depending on where you at in the country, it all depends on what you charge. But I'm pretty sure everybody's minimum should be $250 on that job. You shouldn't go any cheaper unless you get the part very cheap. But I usually charge $250 and up, depending on how much I have to do and stuff like that. But usually, guys I know, the most expensive I know in my county is like $350. I've heard customers get charged $300 to $350 for the Samsung heating element. And like I said, the lowest I go, depending on if I change the whole thing or just the inside, I might go a little, depending on the customer. My strategy is with first customers, I always give them a good deal, and then they're always gonna come back, so then I charge them accordingly. So that's just how I do things. So on to the next one. It is a refrigerator leaking. I'm not sure what the brand is, but we'll see when we get there. All right. Okay, so that one was it said GE fridge not working. When I got there, it was a tenant landlord situation. She said it was making noise. So pretty much the picture I shown was the cover was pretty much the fan blade was hitting the cover, so I had to just take it apart, readjust it, and boom, that was it. Stopped making a noise. So that's a pretty easy call. This one now is a dishwasher. I don't know what's going on with this dishwasher, but I guess it is not working. So we'll see what it is with this dishwasher not working. All right. All right, that was another easy one, kind of. Pretty much I got there, no power. They said that they tried to start it, didn't start. And whoever installed it didn't install the cord to the junction box. I don't know why they didn't do that. So pretty much one of the wires going into the dishwasher was frayed. I took care of it, started right up, job done. But it's the same process every time. Check power at the wall, check power at the junction box. It's kind of sunk in, so really I didn't go to the junction box first. I went to the panel first. And I'm like, I'm not getting no power at the panel. So that's what made me go, because it was kind of tucked in. And luckily I was able to, get the plate off, because it's like they put it in and did the floor around it. So it's like hard to come out, one of those types. So, but anyway, I'm headed to a call now. It is sorry, video cut out. I'm at a GE fridge, not dispensing water. So either it's going to be a filter head assembly or a water valve. So we'll see what it is. I'll get back to you guys in a second. Okay guys, that was I was wrong on both ends. It wasn't the water valve and it wasn't the filter head assembly. I used my water line buddy. Basically, if you guys know these GE fridges, they're known for freezing. Actually, they have a kit for to put in there to prevent this from happening. But always check the temperature. Ask them what happened, because usually if they are gone for a while and don't open the freezer, it can freeze that water line too. Yeah, I use my water line buddy, and I will, I put pictures up of what I did, but not that exact fridge, because that lady was all on me. I couldn't have any room to take any pictures, so pretty much that was it. But you guys can get an idea, and I'll put a picture up of the proper part you should put on there for this type of issue. But this is another customer who was a warranty customer, but she no longer has the warranty, so she calls directly. And I told her if it comes back, then I can get the part for her and install it. But a lot of times I do it. Sometimes it doesn't come back. Depends on the customer. So I already quoted her, and that's that. Last job I'm headed to is a Cabrio washer not coming on. it's a COD, so we'll see how it goes. All right. All right, COD job. Pump was stuttering when I plugged it in, pretty much. So I got the pump right here. I'm gonna replace it, and we're good to go. All right. All right, getting ready to change this pump out. So it's pretty much just those screws there. I'm not gonna take off the whole housing or the line right here. I'm just taking these screws out, dropping it down, putting a new one in, and that's it. All right. Ooh, it's hot, man, it's hot. Okay, so as you can see, that one was a drain pump failure. I plugged it in and it was at 20 minutes and I can't, I'm like, okay. Once I lifted it up, tapped on the pump, water started to drain. I'm like, okay, bad pump. Quoted them the price, they wanted to do it. And you know, that's the purpose of having a part stock. And see, the thing about it is, people ask me about a parts video. I'll see what I can do, but honestly, it's in your area and what you do, you know? So I haven't used that pump. I have 2 of them, well, I have 3 of them. Used one, so when I use one, a lot of times I'll buy back 2 of them, you know, just so I'll have a stock. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. After that, I did calibrate it, and which you don't really have to, but I calibrated just for the customer's sake to see. Ran this little cycle, it started washing, drained the water out. I know we're good to go. On to the next one. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I did miss a call. It was a Kenmore fridge 795. It was a compressor issue. So that's that. That was today. Other than that, we're all good. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.